Students, how are you? I hope you are well. Though you are passing a crisis time because of COVID-19, your education mostly hampered. To recover this loss, Bhadrashun GC Academy arranged online class. From online class, I am going to deliver my lecture. I am Muhammad Shah Alam Mia, for assistant teacher, Bhadrashun GC Academy. Today, I want to discuss transformation of sentence. Topic: assertive to interrogative. Assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means a narrative sentence. If you are asked to make it interrogative, you have to follow a condition. Number one, if the sentence is affirmative, you have to make it negative interrogative. Okay? I clear it. If the sentence is affirmative, you have to make it negative interrogative. Structure: auxiliary verb with nt plus subject plus different form of main verb plus extension. Example: the earth moves round the sun. This is affirmative sentence. You have to make it interrogative sentence. So follow the verb. Here verb 5. If it 5, you have to find out an auxiliary verb. Does. Doesn't the earth move around the sun? The earth moves around the sun. Interrogative: doesn't the earth move around the sun? পৃথিবী কি সূর্যের চারদিকে ঘোরে না? That means পৃথিবী সূর্যের চারদিকে ঘোরে. If you are asked to make it interrogative, you cannot change the meaning. That is why you have to make it negative interrogative. Number 2, they helped us. Verb 2. If you are given verb 2, you have to make an auxiliary verb. Suppose did. Didn't they help us? They helped us. তারা আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করেছিল. Interrogative: didn't they help us? তারা কি আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করেনি? অর্থাৎ করেছিল. You play ball in the field. Make it interrogative. Verb 1. Do. Don't you play ball in the field? Follow. If verb 1, you have to make it don't dash verb 1. If verb 2, you have to make didn't dash verb 1. If it verb 5, you have to make it doesn't dash verb 1. From this example, you are clear, I believe. Condition number 2. If the sentence is negative sentence, you have to make it affirmative interrogative. For this, you have to follow. If there is not, it will be omitted. অর্থাৎ কাটা. If there is no, it will be changed into any. If there is never, it will be changed into ever. Now come to the point. I am giving some example Number 1, she does not love me. Make it interrogative. How is it possible? Follow. She does not love me. That means সে আমাকে ভালোবাসে না। আমি ইন্টারোগেটিভ করব কিভাবে? ডাজ শি লাভ মি? এখানে নট ওমিটেড হয়ে গেল। নাম্বার 2, শি নেভার helps us. Make it interrogative. Never. This is negative sentence, so you have to make it affirmative interrogative. How is it possible? Never. We know if there is never, you have to make it ever. Verb 5. Verb 5 থাকলে কি করতে হবে? Doesn't. তা আমরা এন্টি দিতে পারবো না, যেহেতু নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স we cannot make it negative interrogative. We have to make it affirmative interrogative. Auxiliary verb কি? Does. Does she never will be changed into ever. Does she ever help us? Interrogative. Okay. Next. There happened nothing. তথায় কিছুই ঘটেনি। How we can make it interrogative? Follow the board. I am going to clear it. No. That means it is negative sentence. We have to make it affirmative interrogative. Verb 2. If you are given verb 2, you have to make a auxiliary verb. Make an auxiliary verb did. Did there happen no any? Did there happen anything? সেখানে কি কিছু ঘটেছিল? জোর দিয়ে বলা হচ্ছে সেখানে কি ঘটেছিল কিছু? না, ঘটেনি। এটা একটা সুন্দর interrogative sentence হলো without meaning sense. Now come to the point 4. Rita will not go to Dhaka. Make it interrogative. Rita will not go to Dhaka. That means Rita Dhaka যাবে না। If you are asked to make it interrogative, you have to make it affirmative interrogative. Auxiliary verb will Rita go to Dhaka? রিতা কি ঢাকা যাবে? তার মানে যাবে না। আমরা we have already changed assertive sentence into interrogative. Now come to the another point. If you are asked an assertive sentence into interrogative, suppose if there is every plus body on plus verb plus extension. The structure of assertive sentence, if every, you have to make it, you have to change every. interrogative করতে গেলে interrogative structure হবে who instead of every plus negative verb plus extension plus প্রশ্নবোধক চিহ্ন question marks. উদাহরণ example, everybody hates a lion. Make it interrogative. everybody in a state of who will be in a state of everybody, negative verb, does not hate a liar. Who does not hate a liar? কে মিথ্যাবাদীকে ঘৃণা করে না? That means everybody hates a liar. Number 2, everybody will change into who? Everyone joined the party. Everyone joined the party. Make it interrogative. Everyone, you have to change everyone. Who? Verb 2, অর্থাৎ who did not join the party. We have already do some solution. Today's topic is assertive interrogative. I hope all of the students realize how can you make it interrogative. Now I am giving you some homework. Please write down on your khata. He went to London, Dhaka, interrogative. Number 2, she does not do the work. Interrogative. Everybody loves flowers. Interrogative. Number 4, didn't he help you? Assertive. My dear students, here are some homework for you. I hope you can make it. I hope you can change it as directed. So today's lecture is I have to complete this lecture because our time has already finished. Thank you very much. Best of luck. See you again next class. ধন্যবাদ।